Hello star, near or far. Welcome to the Long channel. I'm Frugal. Here you will find me gradually trying to tackle the delightful puzzle that is the Japanese language. I'm cheap, so I'm trying to do it with resources that are available completely for free on the internet. This video is about the 118th, and I will be reading an article from New Web Easy. New Web Easy offers news articles of various topics written in simplified Japanese, with audio and vocabulary support, which make it more accessible for language learners. It is a useful resource for those looking to improve their Japanese skill while staying informed about what's happening in Japan. Today's article has something to do with an anime character with the name Harry Potter. Why yes, he is the Japanese cousin of the famous Harry Potter. In the parallel worlds of Harry Potter, everyone's name is a tiny bit different. For example, Hagrid is Ruby Usu Hagrido. Professor Dumbledore became Arubasu Dan Burudoa, while Luna Lovegood changed into Luna Rabu Gudo. This is the title. Daiken, written with the kanji meaning body, and the kanji meaning examination is a vocabulary that means personal experience. So, a facility that literally lets you experience Harry Potter with your body opens in June. With 11 new vocabularies, I should have a pretty rough time reading the article, but I didn't. I suspect the fact that I grew up reading Harry Potter has something to do with it. UNG. The third new vocabulary that I encountered in the article is a word formed from three kanji that I have already learned previously. They are play, park, and round. It stands to reason that I should be able to make an educated guess at the meaning of the word. Play park round is the amusement park, right? A round where there is a park and also attraction that you can play at. 10 points to Gryffindor. Toshiman. It is mentioned in the article that the new Harry Potter facility is built on an area of 30,000 square meters in size that used to be known as Toshiman. Toshiman was a famous amusement park located in the Nariman, Tokyo, that opened in 1926 and operated for nearly 94 years before closing in August 2022. I noticed there's an N in Toshiman, so it occurred to me that maybe the N stands for park, and the whole phrase means a park named Toshima. And that would be wrong of me. Actually, Toshiman is a term referred specifically to the amusement park, which is now already closed. Why Toshima Park? And I'm guessing in Japanese it would be Toshima Koen, refer to the public park in Nariman, Tokyo, which is still open and are known for its green space and recreational areas. A gazillion point from Gryffindor has been public. Once again, the article offered me a new vocabulary, which is a three kanji word, of which I know all the three individual kanji. Now my job is to get the meaning of the word. Okay, the first kanji is chief, main. The second kanji is person. Together they become the main man or husband, as in goshujin. Coupled with the final kanji that means public, it becomes husband public. Husband public or public husband is a male unfortunately enough to be trapped in a situation where he had to do the grunt work for several women without any benefit, explained Professor Dumbledore furiously. Okay, I didn't actually make that guess. Main man public is actually the main character of a story. If you think about it, the kanji makeup is fairly appropriate. The story usually follows the protagonist, our main guy's point of view, so his every thought and action are pretty much public information to all readers. Kismet. It is said in the article that you could ride a broom, and together with some green screen effect, you can produce pictures that look like you are really flying a broom in the world of Harry Potter. The broom is Hoki, written in hiragana. I couldn't help but be reminded of a Japanese word that I learned recently. A feather duster, which is Hataki, and also written only in hiragana. Hoki, broom, Hataki, feather duster. I have a hunch, and what I do next is to look up the Japanese name of another very popular cleaning tool, the vacuum cleaner. Sure enough, vacuum cleaner is Sojiki. What a coincidence that all three words make the key sound. Or should I say, what a key meant? Pride. With today's article, I learned the Japanese word for pride, Ji-man. In the article, the word is used in a very positive sense. The residents who live nearby would be proud of the new appearance of Toshiman. However, Ji-man is written with the kanji that means the self and the kanji that means ridicule or laziness. So, self-ridicule or self-laziness or self-undisciplined become pride, proud, which I found to be really strange. Like this, it feels less positive and more like the pride that is one of the 7 deadly sins. Okay, next is just me reading the article out loud to get some speaking practice. Harry Potter, gà, Daikende Kiru, Shisetsu, Rokugatsu ni Open, Tokyo to Nerimaku ni Rokugatsu, Ju Rokunichi, Harry Potter no, E gà o, Daikende Kiru, Shisetsu gà, Open Shimasu. Kono shisetsu wa san nen mai made yuenji no toshimaen ga atta và sho ni tsukutterimasu. Hirosawa Sanman go meteru gurai de Harry Potter no tatemono de wa sekai de ichiban okiku nariso desu. Eki ga no daiken dekiru yo na seto o tanoshin Shujinko no yo ni hoki ni notte sora o tonde iru shashi no totte moratari suru koto ga dekimasu. Shisetsu o sukuru kaisha wa Tokyo ni atarashiku tanoshimu tame no shisetsu ga dekuru to Nippon ni ryoko ni kuru hito ga fueru to omoimasu. Toshimaen no yo ni chikaku ni sumu hito ga jiman dekiru yo ni shitai desu. To hanashitemasu. Oh, okay, that's quite bad. And it doesn't help that my voice is muffled from a recent cold. Yeah, sorry about that. And that's the end of the article. It was not hard to find an English source of today's topic. The Harry Potter theme attraction at the former site of Toshiman is a highly anticipated addition to Tokyo's entertainment offering. While it will be a more of a studio tour experience than a full-fledged theme park, it will offer fans a chance to step directly into the world of Harry Potter in a way that celebrates the film's legacy with elements of Japanese culture touch that will likely make it a one-of-a-kind experience. And that concludes the 118th day of my Japanese study. For everybody that watched until this part of the video, a big thank you to you. I am also sending you an advance birthday cake. It's a digital birthday cake so you can safely wait and enjoy it when the time comes. I might have accidentally sit on it for some point, but I'm sure the taste will be alright. Hope to see you tomorrow. Bye for now.